Ever consider what lies beneath your feet, hidden within the Earth's dark depths? It's a world unseen, a realm far more complex than one might imagine. The Earth is not a simple, solid ball, it's a dynamic, layered wonder. Its structure is a fascinating tapestry of diverse layers, each with its own unique characteristics and vital role in shaping our planet's identity. Dive with us now, as we traverse the Earth's layers, from the crust we walk on to the core's fiery heart. First up, the Earth's crust, our home base. This outermost layer of our planet is a complex composition of rocks and minerals. Its thickness varies greatly, from as thin as 3 miles beneath the oceans to as thick as 40 miles beneath continents. This variation gives us two distinct types of crust: the thinner, denser oceanic crust, primarily composed of basalt, and the thicker, lighter continental crust, made up largely of granite. The crust, despite being the thinnest layer of Earth, plays a crucial role as the home of all known life. It's where we build our homes, grow our food, and extract our resources. It's the stage upon which the drama of life on Earth unfolds, from the smallest microorganism to the tallest mountain. Despite its importance, the crust is but a thin skin on the Earth's vast body. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the grand scheme of Earth's geological story. Next, we plunge into the mantle, a world of heat and flow. The mantle is an intriguing layer of our planet, accounting for a staggering 84% of Earth's volume. It's composed primarily of silicate rocks, rich in minerals like iron and magnesium. This colossal layer is anything but static. Temperatures here can range from just below 800 degrees Celsius near the crust to a blistering 4,000 degrees Celsius near the core. These intense temperatures create a semi-fluid state, causing the rocks to flow and convect, much like boiling soup. The mantle isn't monolithic, however. We can segment it into the upper and lower mantle, separated by a transition zone. The upper mantle, combined with the crust, forms the lithosphere, the tectonic plates that shape our world's landscape. The mantle, with its flowing currents and intense heat, plays an indispensable role in plate tectonics, driving the movement of these plates across Earth's surface. In the mantle, we find the engine of Earth's ceaseless geological activity. Finally, we descend into the core, the Earth's mysterious heart. This is the most enigmatic part of our planet, a place we can't visit, but can only imagine based on the clues nature provides. The core is basically made up of two parts: the outer core, which borders the mantle, and the inner core. The outer core, about 2,000 kilometers thick, is mostly composed of liquid iron and nickel. This searing ocean of metal swirls and flows, creating electric currents. But as we journey deeper, we reach the inner core. It's a sphere of solid iron and nickel, roughly the size of the moon. Despite the intense heat, hotter than the surface of the sun, the unbelievable pressure keeps this part of the core in a solid state. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal about the core? Well, its significance extends beyond just being the center of the Earth. The core is critical in creating the Earth's magnetic field. This happens due to the movement of the liquid metal within the outer core, generating electric currents, which in turn produce the magnetic field. This magnetic field is more than just a scientific curiosity. It plays a crucial role in protecting life on Earth. It shields us from harmful solar radiation, making life as we know it possible. In the core, we find the source of our planet's magnetism, a shield that protects us from solar radiation. We've journeyed from crust to core, unearthing the Earth's internal secrets. Let's recap our fascinating trip. Our adventure started at the crust, a thin, rocky layer that forms the Earth's skin. It is here where we live, build, and cultivate our food. Next, we delved into the mantle, a hot, flowing layer of semi-solid rock. This vast region, extending down nearly 1,800 miles, is responsible for the movement of tectonic plates, shaping our continents and oceans. Finally, we reach the core, the heart of the Earth, divided into two parts. The outer core, a sea of molten iron and nickel, and the inner core, a solid ball of these same metals. This region drives our planet's magnetic field, protecting us from harmful solar radiation. These layers, each with its unique characteristics, work together to create the dynamic, life-sustaining planet we call home. So the next time you step outside, remember, Beneath your feet lies a world as complex and fascinating as the world around you.